calling all Filipinos for Filipino spaghetti. What's up, my little hot dogs, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we're making Filipino spaghetti. You getting tired of the regular old Italian spaghetti? Me neither. But let's try some Filipino spaghetti. There's this Filipino restaurant called Jollibee that serves it. Unfortunately, I've never had it, but it looks amazing. So we're gonna try it. Let's make this thing. We're gonna start by dicing up half an onion. I'm not gonna pretend like I know how to do this. Boom, no waste. Pot view. All right, so in a pot, we got a tablespoon of olive oil. Let's add in our onions. And we're gonna mince up 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna let that cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. All right, enough fooling around. We got this cooking for 5 minutes. We're gonna add a pound of beef, ground beef.
Thanks for clarifying.
You're welcome. In. All right, we're gonna cook that for another few minutes until that's all brown. Let's make sure we season each part of this. Another teaspoon of salt, pepper. Stove isn't on. All right, so next, I'm lucky enough to have a Filipino grocery store right by me, so I'm able to get Filipino hot dogs and banana sauce. Robert, Unimart, hooked it up for me. Thank you, Robert. If you don't have these, you can just use regular hot dogs. We're gonna slice some of these up. Hot dogs. We're gonna do about 5. Ooh. Yeah, they're red. Artificial food coloring. And then we're just gonna slice these up. And off to a good start. Boom. All right, let's throw these hot dogs in with our beef. The beef was browned, by the way. We're just gonna let this cook for about a minute. Banana ketchup, I have never heard of this until now. We gotta try some of this too. You wanna try some of this?
No.
All right, it's pretty liquidy. Check that out. Ooh, it's like a banana ketchup hot sauce with it's got like some pepper in it, a little bit of vinegar. That's good. Oh, that's good. This is gonna be good. Oh, I'm excited. All right, to our meat mixture, we're gonna add a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. And to that, we're gonna add 2 12-ounce bottles of our banana sauce. I'm gonna try to find the link and put it in the description below. Try is the key word here. This is so hard to get out of the bottle. All right, let's stir this up. And we're gonna cover that and let it simmer on medium heat for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's add some salt to some boiling water.
Are you listening?
And we're gonna add a 16-ounce pack of nudes. We're gonna cook those according to the package, al dente, about 8 minutes. All right, let's drain the noodles. Woo. And our sauce looks ready to go. Oh, I'm ready. Let's put down our pasta. And let's get some of our sauce on there. Oh, yeah. Then we just top this off with a handful of shredded American cheese. Oh, and that's Filipino spaghetti. Let's give it a try. Oh, I am so ready! Gotta get the hot dog in there too. Alright. This is good. This is good. It kind of brings me back to that hot dog SpaghettiOs, but way better. It's got sweet, spicy, salty. It's got everything. Look at that! Woo! Filipino spaghetti. Filipino spaghetti. Filipino spaghetti. Look, I said it once, I'll say it again. Filipino food is amazing! And thank you guys for watching.